Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to enable badge notifications on Telegram so you never miss a message again. If you've noticed that Telegram isn't showing those little notification numbers on your app icon, don't worry, it's usually just a simple setting that needs to be turned on. Let's walk through it step by step. First, grab your phone and open your device settings. This is where all your system-level options live, including how notifications behave for each app. Once you're inside settings, scroll down and tap on apps. Depending on your device, this might also be labeled as apps and notifications, but the idea is the same. Next, find and tap on Telegram from your list of installed apps. If you have a lot of apps, you can use the search bar to locate it faster. Now, tap on Notifications. This section controls everything related to how Telegram alerts you: sounds, pop-ups, and of course, badge notifications. Look for the option labeled Badge, App Icon Badges, or something similar depending on your phone model. Once you find it, tap on it and make sure it's turned on or set to allowed. That's it. You've successfully enabled badge notifications for Telegram. From now on, whenever you receive a new message, you'll see a number appear on the Telegram icon, helping you keep track of unread chats at a glance. If it still doesn't show up, double-check that notifications are enabled globally for Telegram and that your phone's launcher supports app icon badges. Thanks for watching.